Hey guys, it's me Melanie, and today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be showing you my slimes, this slime collection. This one has a fish in it. So, this slime, this one has a gem in it. I put a gem in it. This is my purple clear slime. This one. Okay, and then I have this one. It has glitter in it. It's like a pinkish peach. And it has just glitter in it. See? So, yeah. This one. And then this slime, this slime is just a blue and it has some glitter in it too. And then I put gems in it. I put some gems in it, so you'll see the gems. And I don't know when, I might put some foam beads in one of these slimes. I don't know which one yet, but I need to go to the store and buy some. And this is my last slime.
Excuse you.
Oh, really? That was me. This one has a fish in it. See? And yeah. And this is the fish. So this is a fish. Bye, fish. And yeah. This slime is the one I think I made yesterday. Yeah. So that's the video. So I've only made 2 videos. So the first video that I made was I think it was called my first slime video. Yeah, that's it. And so make sure you go see that one, and you'll know this one. But I didn't put the fish in it. I just thought that this slime would be perfect for the fish, so I just wanted to put the fish in it. I don't know why. But yeah, this just made a bubble all by itself. So yeah, make sure you like this video and comment down below which slime was your favorite, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button.